We're at this Dunham River rest area, about an hour into WA from the Northern Territory border. Great little spot, has lots of space, has toilets just over there, has these concrete fire pits if you wanted to have a fire. Some people have left their rubbish in this one, which is sad, but I'll take that over to the bin later. Lots of tables and chairs under shade. There's a couple of big trees, but during the day it doesn't really get much shade. They've got a dump point here. They've got two huge skips. They've got a great Aussie landscape at the back here. And the toilets are great. Firstly, they have locks. This one's a little bit dirty on the ground, but it has a little pull lever and toilet paper, which is rare out here. If you stay long enough, you'll see eagles and huge birds flying around, which is really cool. If you do have a dog, I would recommend keeping them on a lead at this one because they have lots of bait around here to keep the dingoes away. So yeah, just a heads up for that one. It's also currently 5:30 in the morning, but it feels like 7 because we just crossed the Northern Territory border and went back an hour and a half. And yesterday we saw 5 huge bulls in this paddock. I'll put those clips in here, but they were so cool. They came right up to the van. Cosmo wanted to say hello, but we were definitely not going to let that happen because he definitely would have got squished or something. There's also quite a few flies around, but that's to be expected in this region. No mosquitoes at night, which was incredible. They've also got these things, which I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm guessing it's like a standing fire pit. People have just put rubbish in there, which is really disappointing. I'll go put that in the bin later as well. As you can see, Cosmo is happy here. We felt very safe overnight, and overall it's just a beautiful rest area with nice rock formations, beautiful sunrises, nice and quiet. It is next to the highway, but we didn't hear a thing overnight. We highly recommend this one. Cosmo loves the sticks here.